Last lecture you learnt about amplitude, frequency, wavelength and the wave speed of waves. Now, amplitude is fairly independent of the others. The height of a wave can vary without affecting its frequency, its wavelength or its speed, but the other three are very closely linked, and changing one will affect the others. Imagine a steady series of waves at the seaside, all evenly spaced, that's the wavelength, and the same speed, that's the wave speed. Now you can easily see that if the speed of the waves increases to double, the waves hit the beach more often. In other words, the frequency increases. And the opposite is true as well. If the speed is half normal, then the waves hit the beach less often, so the frequency goes down. You can also easily imagine that if the waves were closer together, so their wavelength was less, they would hit the beach more often. The frequency would be greater. And the opposite is true again. If the waves were further apart, they would hit the beach less often. The frequency would be less. So in summary then, if the wave speed increases, the frequency increases too. They have what's called a direct relationship to each other. Also, if the wave speed decreases, the frequency increases. They have an opposite or inverse relationship to each other. Think you've got that? Have a go at the Nearpod quiz.